Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this aesthetic video on CapCut PC. So select your video and we're just going to make it a little bit smaller. Then you're going to scroll down, go to canvas and select color. And then you're going to select this like white color, and then you will select the mask. And I'm just going to select the mirror, and we're going to we're going to select mirror and we're going to reverse it. And we're going to kind of like make like a frame in between. You can just also right click it again, create compound clip, select mirror again, and then if you don't like it you can just like resize it again, but you need to add a canvas to it again, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Then you can add in like some stickers if you'd like to, like nature stickers to match your image. Maybe like this one instead. And you can also add in some text if you'd like to. Here, like the date, maybe. It's totally up to you. You can add in filters, some like textures as well. So here, like that. And I'd like to add the like paper textures on top of it, like these ones. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!